this should work.
At least what it's what I hope it is.
At least what it's what I hope it is.
I see the input working.
Okay, I see myself working, I see the input working.
I cannot see the chat yet, so if there is someone here.
I cannot see the chat yet, so if there is someone here. So let's see.
Yes.
Test is
sound working.
Text to sound working. I'm not sure.
So at least I hear myself, so audio is working.
At least I hear myself, so audio is working.
Yeah, it's on top chat again.
Yeah, it's on top chat again.
That is doing something.
Okay. That is doing something.
At Relians said, retry.
Okay, there we go, but that's very loud. Oh, that's very loud.
Okay, there we go, but that's very loud. Oh, that's very loud. Oh, that's too loud.
Okay, that's... Okay, Windows, can you bloody give me the fucking slider? Thank you.
Windows, can you bloody give me the fucking slider? Thank you. Okay.
At Relians said, is the sound good now?
Still loud.
Still loud. Still loud, still loud, still loud.
Sorry guys, setting this up is always a pain.
Sorry guys, setting this up is always a pain. Okay, try again.
At Relians said,
okay, that's better.
Try again.
Okay, that's better.
Is the voice to chat for someone else hearable? Like if there's someone here and the voice chat is too low for you guys, then I can bump it up.
Like if there's someone here and the voice chat is too low for
now
you guys, then I can bump it up on OBS. Otherwise, because now I can hear it myself. So let's bump it up. 25, 25. That should work.
Cool.
Cool.
Oh, am I glitched?
Oh, am I glitched?
I'm glitched.
I'm glitched.
Oh, that's not good.
No, that's not good.
What the crap?
What the crap?
Okay, I had no echo yesterday.
Okay, I had no echo yesterday, and now I have. Okay, then we do it like that. Let's do this trick. Sucks a little bit, but
camera angle working.
Camera angle working.
Then the split is in my face, which...
Then the split is in my face.
What? I'm so confused. Yesterday it worked fine and now it's like, nah.
I'm so confused. Yesterday it worked fine and now it's like, nah.
Yeah, I'm confused. Alright.
Yeah, I'm confused.
Alright.
Please stop chat, go to live chat. Okay.
Fenster.
Fenster.
Live chat. Alright, so now I cannot see it myself, so hopefully I can hear it in time.
I cannot see it myself, so hopefully I can hear it in
Okay,
time.
I have an edge that I also have on my phone.
Okay, I have an edge that I also have on my phone, which is weird because I did not have that yesterday.
But doing that,
and I'm forgetting something, background sound. Go upstairs and the headset goes off. Alright, there we go, at least.
At F00 balls.
Better.
Said. Boop.
hey boop, 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 boop. Camera is working,
boop,
but
boop, boop.
we have a slight angle issue, which
Camera is working,
my phone has
but
too.
we
Didn't have it
slight
yesterday,
angle
so
issue,
I
which
don't know how to fix
my
that.
phone has too. We didn't have it
Prefer to
yesterday,
have
so I
the
didn't know how to
marble
fix
area
that.
clear
But I
than my
prefer to
head.
have the marble area clear than my head.
Discord.
Discord.
My laptop has restarted, so everything went wrong there
My
too.
laptop
I'm trying
has
to get the
restarted,
background
so
sounds up and
everything
running
went wrong
now.
there too. So I'm trying to get the
I
background
think camera
sounds
tuning
up
should
and
be
running
fine.
now.
You should be able to turn your own camera.
I think camera
because
tuning should be
that's the
fine.
360
You
interface,
should be
which
able
is
to
really
turn
cool.
your own camera because
I need to
that's
start
the
up
360
Discord and
interface,
get
which
the
is really
background
cool.
sound up and running. At
I need to
least
start up Discord and get the background sound up and running, at least slowly.
dual audio feed. That should not be possible.
At
Dual
F00
audio
balls.
feed. That should not be possible.
Said. We have dual audio feed.
Okay, that's weird. Check when Discord
Okay, that's
starts
weird.
to be alive.
I can check when Discord starts to be alive.
Hopefully I fixed it, otherwise I have no clue.
At F00 balls. Said. I hear you as an echo, slightly delayed.
Hopefully fixed in the next message. Come on Discord, work with me. Because the camera was still picking up sound, and you have disabled it in OBS, so
At
that should
F00 balls. Said. I think you fixed it a second before my message was read out loud.
Okay. That works good. Okay. And now I can.
At Herzelnurk said, hi, when lamp.
Okay. Okay. So the camera, I think my face is over here. I'm going to check on my phone and get the chat up and running before if I miss messages.
At F00 balls said, I figured it was the dual camera doing it.
Yeah, I disabled an OBS, so then it should be fine.
At F00 balls said, it is always lamp time.
I'm on my phone. Oh. Ew. Oh, that. Okay, this is cool. So on my phone.
At F00 balls
Like if I turn my camera.
said,
Okay,
it's B lamp, not way to B lamp. At Herzelnurk said, the camera now has some problems with the split in the horizontal. It was better in the test stream.
Yeah, I know. I don't know how to fix that because the test screen went okay. I've restarted the phone setup 5 times and it kept doing this. So I have no clue about that. Hence I turned the camera so at least this area is better clean and hopefully my face is perfectly split, so I have done that, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm kind of covering myself up. So okay, at least that is working, and this piece is already taking me a whole hour because I now have 5 elevators going up, and each elevator has 3 paths. And as you can see, I made some markings here, so you can see the 4 on the blue parts. And this one represents 1, 2, 3.
At Herzelnurk
This area
said, also I'm pretty sure it streams the wrong mic, you sound like safe. Sorry tell you.
Well, better to say, but this is the correct mic, which is fucked up weird, but let me switch microphone then. Alright, so if this is not clearing up, then it's bloody hell something else, because the aux is in the proper area, that's in the proper thing. It's the Realtek audio, yes.
At F00 balls said, yeah, you probably switched off the wrong audio, this one sounds like you're on the toilet. Unless you are on the toilet.
Yeah, that should not be it. Now better, hopefully it's better, like I know there's a 20-30 second delay. Sucks. My sound.
At F00 balls said, so as you are close to the camera.
Okay, cannot do that while live streaming, that sucks, okay.
At F00 balls said, so solution, stay hunched over like that all night.
No. I'm not doing that. I'm not that crazy. Okay. Microphone, hopefully better. Oh,
At F00 balls said, the B in B lamp stands for bend?
No. It's much simpler because it's hexagon lamp. It looks like B-shaped, so it's a B lamp. That's where the name B lamp came from. Because it's a B lamp. It's just a B lamp, man. All right. Up and running. 1, 2, 3. I want to go up here. I want to go there. Oh, alright, let's get some building up and running, and now we can go there. So, we go up here, and up here, and here.
At F00 balls said, as you walked off your mic is bad again, disappointed face. Herzl is too scared to tell you.
Oh no, he will tell, but this is weird because this is the correct microphone and I am then pretty annoyed by something.
Yeah. Another one direction mic. I don't know what to change here. Like, I only have one microphone and the Bluetooth headset is working correctly. That is one-sided. I have done so much testing yesterday and this morning, and it worked perfectly fine. You start the live stream and then it's just like, nah, not working. Ah, boo. Okay, let's put the volume a little bit down. Yes. Let's try this. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. I really have no clue.
At F00 balls said, welcome to the world of live broadcasting. Why break when it isn't live? Best to wait for all the issues to pop up mid-broadcast.
Yeah, live streaming. Now the building is not the best for live stream because it's slow and I need to think pretty ahead and I make myself a little bit impossible thing because 15 paths, like I'm not going to do this one again, but yeah. At least I got the stacks a little bit more ordered, so I know what to grab and where to grab it if I want it, so that's a good thing.
Great. So at least I got that one going, but yeah. So yeah, with the trackers in place, you guys can also see where the pads are, and the camera quality is deep enough you can actually follow the pads, which is awesome. And I'm glad I made the trackers, because if I say, oh, I'm gonna make 15 tracks while not knowing what the fuck am I doing, then I don't know. This one, this one over there. Move all my rubber pieces. Like, I have sorted everything so I can actually find things that I want. Help myself a little bit with that. Okay. But still, this marble contraption is not something you build easily and without effort, so yeah, it's hard. Because as I'm doing this because it's the point of how to build it out in a good way that none of the tracks are actually colliding. Yeah. Okay, I've not heard anything yet, so I hope the microphone is doing better, but I assume not. So I cannot, I don't know. Food upstairs is out, that is due to pain, that is due to that. Yeah, I have no clue.
At Herzl said, I can hear you talking but I can't make anything out. Sorry.
What the fuck? Okay, that is so fucked up. Is it too soft or is it broken? Because I don't know which one the problem is now. Is it too soft? Is it broken? Is it just robotic? Like, what the crap? Like, I only have one microphone, which is this one. Like, oh.
At Herzl said, and suddenly it went much better.
It's grabbing the microphone from the laptop and not, it's not seeing my headset. It's seeing the microphone of my laptop as a source, and that's it.
At F00 balls said, the mic is coming from your camera / the location you are at now.
No,
it gets quiet
laptop,
as you walk away, so it's very definitely a physical mic where you are.
Fuck me. It's not seeing my microphone! Motherfucking piece of shit! What the crap? Ah. Stupid laptop! I cannot add it. It's not the Bluetooth. It's the input thingy that should work. Whoa. It's not seeing my microphone. Bullshit. Ah. Oh, Windows, why are you so bloody stupid? And of course, I cannot be more pissed than this. Input device. No, why? Okay. Bluetooth. Not connected. Okay, is this better? I hope this is better. I don't know if this is better. I don't know if this is better. I cannot hear you guys. Possibly too. Great. No. Headphones sound written. Microphone input device is USB, yes. Okay, that should do it. That should do it. Okay, this should be way better because now my microphone is working again, hopefully. If someone can reply, then we can continue. I hope this is a lot better. But yeah, so the moment I walk away, then it should now be on my microphone and not on my laptop. That's what I hope. working. Let's see.
At Brilliance.
Yeah.
Said. Text to Spund working.
That's Spund, right? Okay. Okay, you guys need to confirm if my microphone or my headset is better working. It should be. But I don't know. Boo. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, so this one, let's do a test. Okay. Okay, that one is working. Okay. Okay, so now we can go for the straight here. Okay, if someone can reply.
At Herzelnurk. Said. So
Well,
far it seems to be okay. You'd need to talk while not near UPC.
No, my laptop is like, fuck you. I'm not accepting the microphone input. So I forced the microphone over USB, so it's technically charging too. But it's just not seeing the actual input by the microphone cable instead of USB, which is like, why? So that was annoying. Yeah, that's fine.
At Herzelnurk.
So, yeah.
Said. I can hear you well.
Okay. Cool. Now my radio is dead. Okay. Okay. Yay! I think it's working now. Bloody hell. That was not fun. That was not fun. Yeah, should be better now, so that is good. So this one can go here. This one can go here. This one can go here. Okay.
At Herzelnurk. Said. Told you it would be at least an hour of fixing stuff.
No, you have not told me that yet. But I was fixing it yesterday for 4 hours, so that 1 hour is invalid. This one. So yeah, hopefully we got it working now. And do that, and then you can see the background. Like a little bit sad that the shadows are now. I need more light.
Said. At least.
Okay, true. Okay. Let's do this one here. So we need to get the wires in place. There we go. And this one goes over there, so we can go for that one, and doing all that. Yeah, I don't know if this is interesting for more streaming, because like, I have no clue if people like this, but it's me building, well, as you can see on the right side here, as much pieces as I can, so hopefully I get more plastic soon, and it's gonna be cool, but yeah. Okay, yeah, I think I locked myself here, so I need to go that direction and that direction. Cannot go there, cannot go there, boo. Oh, I can do that, so if I split this out here, so this one goes like that. So we're gonna switch this one out because we need to not lose the tracks, which is the hardest part. So we go here. We need a straight piece that goes in here. Cool. Then we make this pad here and this one here. And then this one goes here. Oh, way too many tracks. Yeah, way too many tracks. That's the top one, and like this one's overlapping, this one goes here, yes. And then we need to switch this one out to this one. Yeah, a little bit sad that the screen is a little bit etched on one side, but I can flip the camera, so it kind of works. Alright. So now I can move this one over here, and this two is now over here. See, I'm not losing track of my track. This is that way. So this is that one. Let's go for this one again, because I always have the feeling that this goes like that. Well, this works. Okay, that one works. This one works, nice. So, two here, blue here. And we're reaching level 3 already. That's awesome. Okay, I think the radio is non-hearable for you guys. Like, I hear a little bit background sound, but I hope it's enough that it is not void when I'm not talking. At least I hope. Okay, straight piece. Ooh, that's not gonna work. Ooh, I made a mistake here. Now we have two pads going into one place. In split. Let me think. If I turn this one into that one, so we're gonna go for this. Go for this one. And then switch out this one. And I hope everyone is having a decently good day. So this one goes here, this one goes here, this one goes here. Okay, yes. Yeah, and my live chat. Like, I need to check every time that the chat goes to live chat and not to top chat, because that's how I miss the text of footballs all the bloody time. And if this happened to someone else and you felt ignored, there's probably a high chance that my chat was in top chat, which somehow filters out something by filtering it out, and that sucks. And yeah, I'm trying to get myself to not do that, but it can still happen. So sorry if that happens and you feel ignored. It's probably because my chat is not in live chat but in top chat, which is bloody stupid. I dislike it. Why it's enabled as standard? Why it? Alright, let's get this running. So that is this one. What is?
At Herzl said, consider all my best ideas written in live chat, winky face.
So this one, and this one. Yeah, but it's sad that a lot of messages that you miss because I didn't realize I was in the wrong chat. And I can semi understand it for the big streamers that have 1,000 chats a second and all that. But at that point, it doesn't even matter if you have top chat or not. Like, that doesn't really change anything because you cannot see it anyway. Like, that's a little bit of the problem there. Okay, so we have that one now in place. We have that one now in place. Okay, let's build up more of this one going there. And this one going there. And that's the hard part of, like, I don't see the use of it, but that's me. So let's fix you up. Alright. This one. I want you there. So that's straight keys. You go there. You go there. And I think we need this one. Okay, so we have this one. This is too much. So we're definitely gonna switch it up to this one. Okay, that's more speed. Awesome. wrap around. Okay, now we have this one up here now. Yellow 4, yellow 4. So what I did is that each stacking tower, and I will show it on the center, of course, because that's, I think, most people watch. So every tower has their base number with 2, 3 identifications. So this is the yellow segment that you see on the area, the blue segment, and the none with no segment is black. So I directly know if this is a 2 and I see a 2 here, that this black area is this one. This yellow 2 is all the way over here. This yellow blue is all the way already over here. If I go to this 4, then I need to find the 4. Where's the 4? Did I lose the 4? I lost the 4. Alright, then. So base 4 is all the way over here, and then this track goes all the way up here to this 4. So I can keep track of the 15 tracks while building this track. But it's still pretty hard because in my mind I'm trying to not lock in one of the paths going up, because as you can see it's getting pretty crowded in here. So if I go a wrong direction and build myself in, I'm screwed too. So I need to do a lot of thinking ahead to actually build this track. So yes, it's a marble track, but it's not that easy. It's very intense thinking and processing in how to do this, because I'm trying to make it non-breakable. I know how to break my track very easy right now, so I'm trying to prevent that one. So you have some really swanky angles where the ball has 50% of just being jammed, and I'm trying to prevent that. Alright, so that's that one, that's that one, that's that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that one goes up and that one goes up. Okay. Yeah, that's the hard part and the learning part of actually building these tracks. So, yay. No, this one needs to go off. We'll need to go here. But yeah, the good thing is it's magnetized, so clicking things in goes pretty easy. Clicking things in place goes pretty smooth. And you just click them back in. And then that is what I like, because I'm pretty sure without magnets, then taking this apart piece by piece, plugging pieces in, becomes pretty, I think, very hard to do. And with this design, you can at least do that. Take piece apart, plug things in, plug it over there, click it in there, and then see how it works. And I'm happy with that design. So we got this one going to the right. And I think I'm pretty happy with it. It's just the concept of it. We can do this one in here. Test. Yeah. Let me get that. So put the 4 back again. Oh, crap. I locked myself up. That's... Okay, nope. This is wrong. Because this one goes up here. This one goes here, so I'm... Darn it! I thought I was doing it right. Okay, I need to change that one then and that one then. Yeah. Okay, so this one goes here and this one goes here. Here. You are fine. But we need a double. Because we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna test something. There's a small bump, but then they need to be very precise. So I don't think that's gonna happen. If that happens, then I'm just gonna give up. That is such a small chance, and the balls will find it. Yeah, they will find a way. Nope, be straight. Crash out, crash in. So. Oh. Okay, let's see if that works. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go for a straight. Oh, that's the hard part. Okay, camera goes off again. Ooh. Yep. Wrong one. Okay, this is a pretty long one, so I'm pretty sure if it's gonna reach. That is very close. Am I gonna gamble it? Yeah, I'm gonna gamble it. Alright, so that's a very long one, so we need to be careful for that one. And then we can go here. Here again. We can go up. There, so. This. Now do that. Now we have a straight piece again. Also, how's everyone's day going? Oops, there we go, there we go, there we go. No. Fine. Okay, that's good. Onto there, onto there. And sometimes I want to have a bigger table because my back is already killing me. Right, so I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna go there, and there. Are we still building there? Yes, we're still building there. Okay, cool. Okay, so that one is now going up, that one is going up, that one is going up. Do I want to go 1, 2, 3? No. Okay, so if I go, that's that direction, all the way going here, snaking all the way over there. This is all the way over here. These two can go here. I think I need to do this, do that. And doing that over there. Okay, cool. Okay. Again. There we go. Great round pieces. There. This one goes over there. This one goes over That one has freedom. Okay, yellow can go there. A yellow tree. Ooh, okay, so this already took me 2 hours, and this is still level 3. Like, I am very disappointed in my speed, but at the same time, this is a lot of thinking, and I don't want to overload things. Okay, yeah, ooh, I need to bottom that one in now. Ooh, I need to get this one out. How do I get that one out in a good way? Because this bed is already taken, that bed is taken, so the only way I can go is that and that. Okay, let's put this one in. Put it in here. Okay, now I can click it back. See, this is the cool part. I can disassemble pieces and click one in. Like, oh, I'm so lucky. I love that. Okay, so that one is going there, that one is going there, that one is going there. This one goes here. Okay, yeah. Yeah, straight piece, straight drop burger. Right. Go straight drop it in here. I think this becomes a bit more fun when I have someone else to build with. So if I have 2 people building here, then you make a bit more process and you can focus on 2 areas. And I think then it becomes more fun. I just don't know how to double connect a headset. Because if I give him a headset and we're both talking, then you get the echo because both microphones will be picked up. Ooh, yeah, that's a problem. How do you fix that? How do you fix that? Ooh. I don't know. I really have no clue right now. Oh, cool. Okay, so if I get a second person, so that's this one. Cannot go there because this one is also here. Where does my token? There's my token. Okay. This one over here. Over here. Yeah, I'm. Can I do this? I think I can. Okay, let's test this one. Cool. Wait, are they all still working? Yeah. Okay, all the motors are working. Okay, that is cool. Okay. Yeah, it's a part I still need to puzzle out. Like, I think if I have someone else here building things out, then that would be a lot easier to do. And I think that is also more interactive for you guys because, like, for now, like, I'm really slowly building one piece at a time, and yeah, it doesn't go that fast. It sucks, but yeah. Alright, so we go there, and go there and there. Okay, so this piece is going here. But I'm not sure if you guys are up for that there is a second person here, possibly. And I still need to find that person, of course, but hey, possibilities. That would be cool. This one. There we go. Click it back. There we go. Right, I can add more of these now. That's awesome. Progress. Yay. We're getting a little bit higher in this area at least. And we just need to focus on this a little bit more. I want to focus here, then I go to this direction because this needs to go all the way there. These two are building out there. And okay, I still need to build out this one. Yeah, I still need to build out. Can I go here? I think I can go here. Yes, I can go here and then up there. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that one needs to go there, that one needs to go there. Ooh, okay, this is gonna be a challenge. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now I need to go this one, yes. And build it out. Let's see if this one. Oh. There we go. That is that one. So that is number 4. And was black number 3 again. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the track pieces make it a little easier and a little bit more visualized that I know where a track is. Still, this is very crowded. Oh man, I'm losing insanity. I'm losing sanity here. Every bloody second I'm thinking about this, that the insanity drops even more. Oi, oi, oi.
The Center for Stress Management, London.
Okay, 55. Alright, so we got that piece running. Yeah, I think the next few streams, if I'm gonna build marble tracks, it's keeping it to one elevator and just go huge, big, instead of all the way crowded like this. But this is fun too, and like, hopefully in time I can fill up the whole bloody table and make a whole big ass track, because that's gonna take me a couple weeks to build up. But at least it's gonna look fun, hopefully. That's the idea. At least that's the idea, like, as long as it's fun. So this one goes here. Ooh, right. So I can go that direction, and I can go that direction. Yeah. So you go out, you get swapped for a straight piece. Come in. Come on, you can fit. Oh, correct. Oh, this was 3. Where's blue 1? Moving that one out there. Oh, yeah. I screwed up. So this one needs to go out. Let's move you for now. This one also goes here. Oh, oh god, I'm congested here. Oops. Yeah, that's a problem.
You are listening to 24/7 London Radio.
Okay, so this one goes here, this one goes here, and this one goes here. This one goes here. Yeah. Okay. And click. That works. Okay, so this one is here. This one is here. So this is track 4. 4. 1 and the yellow one. Wow. Yeah, 3 in a row is not that great. Yay. Okay. And then this one. Let's grab some pieces here. Oh, this is way too long, of course, so this one needs to go there. Right sides is this one. Building that one out. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I think this one might be the spot. Let's check if the marble actually runs. Yeah, okay, that is fast enough. So that one is solved. That one is now solved, that one is now solved. Okay. We're gonna go loop around there, and we need to build out that one too. Oh shit, we still have we still have a number 2 all the way at the bottom. But we need to puzzle out this one first. So yay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not want to go there. I'm gonna go looping around here, go there. So alright, let's grab some stacking pieces. Do that. Load this one up like that. Cool. Here. This one needs down left. Down left. That is still going. Alright, that's that area. Okay, now we need to go to the other side because this part is getting too high, this part is unintended, so this one is a little bit more built out. So now I can sit down and give my back a little bit rest. I'm getting old. Alright, so we're gonna build this one out now. And we need to keep track of this one, and this space is now very open. There's only one path going into it. Yes. So this one goes here. I think straight corner. So this one just goes around and goes there. Okay, cool. Alright, so I want to do this one going in there. No, yeah, that's what I'm feeling. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another straight. We need a straight dropper. Oh, there we go. Whoop. Alright, officially all layers have now reached layer 2. That is fast enough. Okay, I will go for another straight here. Let's grab this one. Nope, don't lose my marbles. Let's do this. Oh, by accident, or well, by accident. So I made 5 elevators because like, 5 looks cool. Then I was like, that is 15 paths. Do I have 30 marbles? I have exactly 30 marbles. So each entrance and exit can have 2. but I'm pretty sure a couple pads are gonna be cross-contaminated because I'm not able to stitch them all back together to their own body spot. That I call that impossible. I'm gonna try, but yeah, that's pretty hard because like if we have number one here and already here, I need to stitch it all the way back in the same height and then stitch it back together, and that will be cool. I'm gonna try it, but if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If that doesn't, yeah, no. We're not doing that if we're not doing that. So, okay, this one. But that will be very cool if I can line everything up perfect. Yeah, I'm not lining it up perfect. I'm not doing it. I am definitely not doing it. And there's a high chance I'm running out of droppers or second tracks. Probably droppers because I see that the droppers go pretty fast. And possibly not. Oh, you're not clicking in. There we go. Cool. Let's track number 2. Cool. Cool. We have that one in place. Okay. Oh, we have a little bit of cementing over here. Doing all that. Straight piece again. So going over there. Then we go here. Okay, so we have that piece in place, we have that piece in place, we have that piece in place. Awesome. Can go back there again. Yeah. Also, is the quality decent enough that you can actually see the track numbers? Because I don't think the quality is good enough that you can recognize that this is a 4 and this is a 1, this is a 4 and that's a 2. I don't think the quality is that good, but at least the color identification is recognizable, right? At least that's what I hope.
At Herzelnurk said, for some parts I can see it.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I think the only upgrade there is actually getting a better camera, and that's one of the newer X ones, which is probably pricey. So yeah, that's not in my budget range. Okay, that should reach it. Yeah. Okay, let's raise you. Let's get the part up and running. This one, cool. This one is now here. This one is now here. So, okay, now I want to get flow into here too. So now we're gonna build this one out. Yes. Okay, lowest spot now. Boop, boop, boop. Right, let's go for a straight. Yeah, the more I do this, the more I realize I don't think this is the best stream because it's not high interactive and it's just me slowly building it. But at the same time, like, it's appreciation that I'm still trying this and doing it. So, there we go. And actually trying to do this because I still need to test my own products because if I put this live, what will happen? And I think that's also a very important part of testing. If I suffer like this, then if I bring it live and people can buy and make it, they also need to suffer. Right? Left side. At least that's what I hope. People think, oh, this is a very good marble runner, and then you find out how much pain it is to actually build it. Not my problem. I didn't say anything. Oh, that would be funny. That would be funny. Alright, so this one goes here. Okay, this one is still going in, so yeah, that will be funny. But that's the part of doing this, like, how crazy can we go? Yeah. Not crazy at all. No. I'm not losing my sanity. No, only a tiny bit. That one out. Fix the last one too. It's cool though. There is slowly being progress. So if you come back in an hour, then it's probably more. It's cool. It's cool. Alright, so now I need to build that direction and that direction. Nope, this change of plan. This one is better suited for a corner. And then we can build corners here. So yeah, it's all about testing. Testing the waters and see where it goes. So we got this one here. Because we're gonna go loop around this one here. This one probably goes here. This one goes here. So we can build that out already. Oh, yeah, I do love the ease of disconnecting and connecting and reconnecting, so that is really cool. I can do that one, I can do this one now. this one here. And straight pieces too. So this one goes here. Now we're all moved a little bit too much to the outside. That sucks. And that one's still there. Okay, cool. There. Let's move you back. Get the hardest one. Can move this one and this one. Ooh. Okay, this one is now built out. This one's now here. This one goes here, so straight piece. I don't like that one. That's a little bit. Okay, can we fix that with this one here? No, not like this. Okay, I need to fix it. Okay, you go there, and you go there. You and you build out like that because this structure is not enough. Then we can move this a little bit back. Why are you not clicking in? Okay, the first time it's not working. Oh, hello. Cable in the way? No, there's no cable in the way. Yeah, okay, now it's better. Now it's better. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's see if this one works. I didn't see where the track where it's going. I thought it was the other one. Derp. Let's see if this helps so I don't forget it. There we go. Disconnect again. That's better. Delete this one. Cool. Alright. Ooh. Yeah, we're making progress. We're making progress. Ooh, okay, and that one goes there. And then this one goes back here. Okay. It's a little bit wobbly. I don't fully appreciate it, but there's not much I can do about that. We're now almost at layer 3. We're at layer 4 already. Wow. Where's my sugar? Oh, good, that's my sugar. Okay, sugar's good. A little bit too high, so I need to get some insulin up and running. And get the progress in. To be honest, I don't know how late, what time it is. I don't have a clock here. Oh yeah, no, my phone, yeah. Yeah. What the time is? There, yes. Okay. That's a good time. Okay. Okay, so we got this one built out, this one built out, and this one built out. Can go here. Around there. So then. Oh, I'm getting this in charge. There we go. There we go. That's better.
You are listening to 24/7 London Radio.
Okay. Wait. 2 pieces here, 2 pieces there, so let's fix it. That one up. Get this one away. There. This needs to go there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna make the corner here, so that is right down. Should be fine. Okay, that's good. Alright, there we go. Found that one. Oh, that one. Is that the, oh, it's that one. I saw something blink, but that's the big stackable B lamp. Like, I thought it was that lamp on top. Ew. Right. down right. Down right. Oh no, this is not gonna work. Oopsie again. Wait, maybe. Yeah, try it like. Ooh, no. Where? 50. No. This one, yes, this one. Ah, fix it. Oh yeah, fix it. I'm not sure yet, but black 2, green, blue. Yeah. Okay, this one is going to be a challenge, so we need to build that one out there and see how that one works. Yep. Okay, so at least we can do that one now. This one there, so we can move this one over here. Okay, now we need to get this one in here. So we're gonna build out that right. Strike these in the center. I just love that I can click things in and it doesn't break the whole system in one everywhere. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, straight piece, straight rubber. Oh, this one broke. Click it in. And let's see if this one runs. Oh. That one works. At least the motors work now. I don't know why. I think because I made a T-split instead of one fell line connecting all the motors in one chain. So now it's one chain and then it splits into two pads. And I think that's the power supply doing it better than in one line. So an I-split of power makes the motors work. I think I'm still not fully positive how that works because electricity is not my strong suit. But the motors, connecting the motor power on works now, and I'm still a little bit confused why, but I will learn that. So this one goes here. No, straight piece. But powering the motor on now doesn't slow it down. Like the first few times I reconnect the power, then the motors just fall flat, and this time they don't. So I'm quite happy with that, but I still don't know exactly why. Ew. I did another dum-dum. Oh crap. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Or I locked this one up. Can try that. So open space here. Straight piece here. Let's puzzle it out. That one works, but now this one is not working, so this one goes to the right. Yeah, we're still gonna get the same problem. No, we're gonna go up there. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, disconnect the whole piece. Get this one out. No, you stay in there. So you do that. Oh, bloody hell. No. Yeah, no, yes. No. And click back in, yes, okay. And we put this one here. But we still need to go this one and this one. That one goes up, this one goes up. So this one can go there, yes. So I can go here and here. Right? No, I cannot go there. So this one goes here. Go here and here. Yellow 4 back here. Black 5 goes there. And then this one goes there. So this one goes here, this one goes here. Okay. Think I fixed it? Didn't decklock myself? Yeah. Yes! Now it works. Awesome. I can do this one. Install that one. So now I can put 5 back. 4 here. And let's grab this one. Needs to go to right down. This one goes here. So now we should be able to do that. I wasn't fully happy with that. Okay. That one works. One, two, three, four, 5. Reaching level 4 now. We're doing it. Okay, so this one is unstuck again. That one is unstuck again. So that one goes there. This one goes here. And okay, now we need to solve this part because I already see another gem going here. So that's 1, 2, 3 up. That's 1, 2, 3 up. Okay. There's 2 up. There's 2 up. Oh, did I lock myself again? because that is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this one needs to be straight. Yeah, and then this one can go there, then right down. There we go. Okay, making progress. So this one goes here. And then we can get this one over here. And this tracks all the way there, and then tracks there and there. Okay, and then I got these pads all the way going there. Okay, finding that one out. Ooh. Yeah, 15 tracks is way too much. Why did I start this again? Oh boy. Oh boy. That one goes there, this one goes here. Okay, can go 1, 2, 3, up here. And we can do this. This one is a double, so if we go here, we need to go up. This one goes one. Okay, we now have 3 pads going one direction. No, 2 pads going one direction, because this one is going that and that direction, and this one is going that direction. So we have 2 this and 1 here. So number 4 is all over there. Yes. Wait. So this one up here. Okay, let's grip PCs. Sorry, it's not the most interactive stream, so I hope bear with me. But it's a lot of thinking to actually do this. It's not that easy to build this. And a little bit sad that this is not the easiest track to build, but I think for some people this is a lot of fun, because you can keep your kids very entertained for a couple hours because they need to puzzle this out. They really need to puzzle this one out. Yeah. And I think that's the hardest part for this, like puzzling out how it should work. I think that's the fun part, is finding that out. Like, this is not an easy puzzle thing, this is not an easy marble runner. But I know myself, I don't do easy things. Like, I will suffer, and I will enjoy the suffering. I don't even know where track 4 is anymore. Oh, there. Save. go. Oh, disconnect. Alright. Oh, that's the hardest part. Look at this crazy stuff. Oh, this is so awesome. It's awesome, but bloody hell. Okay, so we have this one here, this one here. So this one needs to go up already. So okay, let's do this one first. 1, 2, 3. No, I want to go straight because I want to go this direction. Yep, I do love that I can. Oh, yep, I totally designed this myself, completely done by me. Not done on accident. No, not at all. No. Didn't do this at accident at all. All calculated and then all out of my brain, man. You know, making the greatest things of all time. Yep. Okay, so now we have 4 there, and I need to raise this one really fast. I don't want to build this one in. Alright. Okay, this can be built here, so I want to focus on that part a little bit. Yeah, definitely next time I'm not gonna build 50 tracks. Or 5 elevators. It's a little bit much, but it's still bloody cool. But I don't know a way to speed up this process. That's the hard part. I don't know how to speed this up, because this is just a lot of processing, and I don't think you can actually do this faster. So that sucks a little bit, but yeah. Okay, you go there. You go there. Go there. Okay, now we need some to stick. Goes in there. You go there. You can go in here. You can go straight in this one. Click that one up. This one here, so we get more strength again. And do that. Nice. Progress. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one definitely needs to be stacked up here. So no, I don't want to use these. I want to use this. Okay, down, right. Right. Oh, no, wrong one. There we go, that's better. Okay, that goes good. Okay. So, where's the trick? There's the trick. Okay, so this one goes there, this one goes there, this one goes there, this one goes there. There we go. Find that one out. Oops. Oh, I'm lost. Oh, bloody hell, I'm lost. That one, 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 that one. Yeah, okay, now I can focus there and there. Yep, that one. Okay, nice. Okay, straight filter. Anyone here has projects they want to tell about? I always enjoy hearing projects. At least I literally hear them. Now I cannot even read it because, well, I can, but I hear the robot voice talking about stuff. This one. No, I don't want it this way. I want it that way. Or all the projects just hidden and not allowed to talk about this. And case of our thing too, we know that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I still need to puzzle out that one and that one. Okay, that's the lowest parts is there and there. Yes. Yes. So let's grab corner and straight, corner and straight. Let's switch out this one. And switch out this. I need a straight rubber again. Switch that out for this.
The Center for Stress Management.
And there we go. There we go. Oh. Okay. There we go. Okay, down right, grab another piece. I hope everyone is doing okay. I have a little bit trouble actually saying things because I don't know what to say, but if you have a question, or just interesting, or just know something, feel free to ask. Otherwise, I just keep building. Let's build it up. Let's see. Okay, that has some good speed. Build this one out. Oh, right. Now we take these for the elevator thingies. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hello. Oh. Oh, right. Yeah. This one is there. There we go. Okay. Those pieces. Okay. That is up to date again. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna try to connect it up and make a show reel, and then in time I will build up the rest. Like, there is 10 kilos of plastic more incoming, so I can go way bigger. But I think for now this is gonna look very cool. So I think a couple areas where I can build up and build out should be awesome. We have 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We need to spread things a little bit back and forth, chain it back up again, and do all that. Okay, one black is there. That's not gonna reach that one now. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Yeah, I'm stuck. Let me those. Oh, what have I done? Oh, I'm so confused. Even if I say I want to finish it up, this is gonna take me at least an hour. Just to connect them all up back to the elevators. I'm in a world of pain. Yep, I've done this myself. Crap. Yeah, shit, I've done that. Should not have done that. Oh well. Yeah, I should not have done that. I should have stick to one elevator. That's a lot easier. No. I want to use all 5. Yeah. Yeah. Down. Right. Oh, I want to use all 5 now. Why are we doing this again? It's fun, right? It's fun. Oof. Yes, this is absolutely fun. Oh, my camera. Uh-oh. Why is this not charging? Ah, fuck me. Charging now? Is it charging? These go up. Battery goes up, otherwise the stream is gonna end very fast. Come on, go percentage up, please. I'm not sure. Oh, bloody hell. Ugh. It says it's charging, but I'm not sure. Like the cable is plugged in. The whole cable is plugged in. It worked yesterday. Okay, well, we're gonna keep building. And I hope it goes up now. So my cable was not plugged in correctly. So I hope it's good now. Blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah. Oh, nerve-wracking. Is the camera working? Is it charging? If it's not charging, it's over in 5 seconds. I hope so. Okay. No, it's still going down. So that's the end of the stream because my camera's gonna die. That sucks. Camera dead. Cannot change that. Anyway, mission progress. I'm gonna build this on off-stream and keep building it up and use as many pieces as I can. And hopefully I can make a cool track that I can actually show on Instagram and YouTube as a full video. Like that will be very cool. No idea how yet, but let's see where it goes. Anyway, all thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the interaction. But made some progress. We went from level 2 to level 4-ish. So that's really cool. That's really awesome. But yeah, my battery is going down still. So my cable connection is not correct, and that sucks. Anyway, see y'all later.